Monday morning power at Monday morning, it's power hour. No matter who could, maybe, you know what, maybe it's not Monday morning anyway. Let's look at the board. What started this all off? APP, all right? Not an inclusion in the S&P 500, okay? Taking a list of some things here, the high flyers broke to a degree. The wise guys are taking profits in Kava. All of a sudden, Kava's down like $18, $16. All right, Kava broke 3 moving averages in one day. With volume, it's over. Sweet Green came along it. It's down 4. It's down 5. Trying to get out of it now. There it is. Okay. Twilo, stocks like CRDO, that let it up. I'm not saying it's CRDO, for example. I'm not saying it's elevator down or anything. Quantum stocks, Riven holding well. Riven holding well is always a place to go. I have some stocks that are holding real well. What's the stock that I think is a wise guy stock at the end of the day? Because we have Mickey Daney and probably J Norm. The MGX. Get familiar with Metagenomics. I think this one's got a little bit left in the punch bowl. Look at the weekly RSI 50. MGI, MGX, the 200-day on the daily is 508. You want more, I get it. You got to coddle it. You got to work it a little bit. CVS taking calls, says enough. WBA, I saw taking calls, says enough. Stocks, Fastly, loved it. Calls off the board. Still Fastly, has room. China stocks. FUTU is up 21 point. FUTU high today 104. Get back 5. This is the one that's still taking calls. Might have a little left. IQ. Okay. The one that might still have some left. IQ. Not in it. It's the one that's getting rounding into form here. Rounding into form. What is that? Stocks I'm big in. What is this? ACAD. Oh, nice call, Mike V. I just sold 3,000 before I came on here. ACAD. Literally. ACAD. Ooh, there's ACAD. Made decent money in ACAD. What's going on with the futures lower? Let's get the freaking board here. GDXJ. Earnings AI. After the close. And if you didn't watch the early video, go to TradeGATEHub for a second. Just a high level opinion, if you want. Call it what you want. Want to fade Kramer, fade Kramer. Could buy everybody over here probably times 5. Put your ego aside. I think it's the one, Mick. Staking calls. Here. Here's one of the tweets right here. Is a good guy. Sharp dude. Right here. So be prepared. MGX should be seeing PR tonight on a 2-year plan. You know what I mean? I like my style. I like the way these bios were acting to a degree. Lucid. There you go. What else do I have? You know what I have? What else do I have? ACAD. AI earnings after the close. Let me get to my point in AI. Okay. This is also posted in the room Sunday night. AI, the stock will tell the tale. All right. AI is near the high. Some of the quantum stocks are giving you back a little bit. Okay. IOQ, there's SYM. I actually sold that in the fund. A-Lab, look at the other ones. IONQ. Short Dow going. Dow stocks. Nugget acting well. Still taking calls. Nugget, by the way. I want that to close on the low. I'm buying that on the dipper. But the oils are acting poorly here. Nvidia, Coin, Nvidia. Carvana, not taking any China. Affirm, 1 day down, doesn't make a reversal. Kava. Telling you, that's bad, man. You know what? How about Donut? They're taking. See that donut should be going the other way. Should be squeezing the donut. McDonald's. You know what's taking a lot of calls? Grab. Ton of calls. Mick. Grab. I know it might be too expensive for you. Call still. The one, yeah, right here. Calls the kind of calls you want, no matter what trade you're on. Ocean, I know who's on here. Pardon me. Grab. They're adding to grab. CVS calls, like I said. AMD. I don't know. People may be hedging on this AMD, but you know what? This tipped its hand too. Flip that chart over. Flip that around. Would you be buying that? Yeah, you would. I'm not saying it's a short. You chill out. Grab. You gotta take it seriously. Paper trade. You know what? If you don't paper trade, not the paper trade. You know what you have to do? You go right here. Boom. Demo. Mike V. Open a demo account. 2 clicks. Boom. Surfs up right there to take your order. What else do we have? Ryan, near the low. Yeah, okay. That's an anomaly. I have too many windows open. That's a trade. That is a demo account anomaly. That's usually how fast it is. I have 14 windows open. I got the fund window open. I got this open. I got the Zoom going. I got the horse racing on the TV screen. Freaking market over there. Tony Pistachios on my foot. Got action. If you want to know what's going on with crypto, I think this is probably this would paraphrase it well. Like I said, we'll give credit to Wall Street Jesus. MSTR, not the slightest clue going on in that name these days. A lot of ARB hedging involved. I'm sure it's the same for those around us. Maybe GLD looks even better. AGQ, those calls worked. They tried to get me to flinch and I took it. I want that to close below the 50-day now. You know what I want to know what Dale Pinker thinks about that. And if I want to know what Dale thinks, all I have to do is go to here. Surfs up, always trying to get in there. The grinder. Here you go. Watch this morning's video. Watch us tomorrow at 11. Could watch his 290 views to lead off the day. My 70 views not bad. Although you know what, like I said this morning, I'm getting a lot more power hour. It's about making money. Hold on. It's about putting things to work. It's about the close. Non-stop selling in AMD. Their FOMO, is there fear of greed in AMD that they missed it? No. That's why I mean, the fix is a little sexy. Well, you know what? I don't want to say it's even percolating. Got your eye on it. I even highlighted it. I don't even let myself trade it. I could freaking try to corner the wheat market if I wanted. I wouldn't say I would do it. I don't trade it. It's a redundant theme in TradeGATEHub, but you know what I mean. WBA. There it is. Short squeezing today. Am I going to go here? Doesn't that say a lot? Does that say a lot that they're chasing WBA? But I'll tell you, it might help out the bargain, Ollie's bargain basement. I don't know about that. Other positions I have. ALP was up $9 at one point. QS 518. I sold so many of that QS. You don't even know how much QS I sold. But that's not good because I have a ton of EOS. Hold the 30 cents. EOS. I got a lot. I still have Lawrence Taylor and EOS 56,000. LT 56 EOS. Don't short it. Short it at your own peril. This has it in it. Don't tell anyone. Okay. Any questions? Eliminate J Norm. All of a sudden you look around, it's 44. Incredible. I remember the day at top. Lord, hold on. Public Jesus feed. Please follow the feed. Follow who I follow on Twitter. Okay? It's only 75 people and it's all market related. It has nothing to do with horses or freaking chicks or anything like that. All right. And just to give an example, here's the latest one in the Jesus feed. Where's my feed here? Yeah, right here. Public. Both beating the health pharmacy needs, seeing some positioning. I'll leave it at that. I'm in the room for the close. Relax. There's a lot of inside days forming after these God bars, they call them. These MGX. What time is it? 3:11. MGX, so you got to hold the fort, right? Yeah, I don't know. 1, 2, 3 drive. I kind of want that to do that this early. I don't want it to do it that like at 3:45. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's either, listen, one thing, it's not going to pop 20 cents. It's either one day wonder, it's going to work double, in my opinion. Let's leave it off here. Power hour. Power half hour. All right. Into the close for the big boys. Percent gainers the last 60 minutes. Son, ACAD. Still fucking ripping. My God, look at ACAD. I only have 3,000 left. I have some in the fund nicely. I'm not going to lie. ACAD. Was the week. You know why I sold some? Why do you ask? Why did you leave it, Mike V? Why? Okay, not that I. Why did I sell it? Forget about it. Anybody can have a winner. Why did I sell it? The weekly. Hit some resistance in the weekly. So I did sell some right before I came on air. What was it? Freaking 1878. I was trying to plan 1840. Now it's coming in with volume. I haven't seen it come in with calls, though. They did have management change. I follow the company. I'm not going to lie. I'm not acting like I'm freaking Mr. Bio. Percent losers in the last 60 minutes. What are they taking? DXYZ. Couple of most actives. Planeteer is up to shorting at 3. It was, that was up $4 at one point. And I said, this is what I said to myself. I said, you got to believe in yourself sometimes. I said, Planeteer's been up like this to a degree because of the inclusion in the S&P 500. From what I understand, I think that's yet to happen. And that's the reason why APP was down, because they weren't included in Friday. So I'm saying to myself, this freaking thing's trading like 78 this morning. 82, no, 78, 84. 4:30 a.m. Freaking going like this. Huh? It's 80, 82. Then I see $82 at like 750. 82, I go. It's up $4. APP was down big. Rest of them are getting a little heavy. I get it. Reversals don't happen. The most reversals very rarely happen overnight. They usually happen intraday. So the gap up made me feel a little bit better, if you will. And first of all, it's been blowing through all the Fibonacci things, but that might be an advance, a poor example of a trade. But that's the reason why it did pull back like this, in my opinion. So I'll leave it at that. All right. So I'll be in the room, ask all questions on tomorrow, posting all day. AI after the close, before the open. Nobody really that sexy. Couple of retailers, consistent themes, quantum stocks. There's uranium stocks, oils look like so. Stay prudent. China, I don't know what I would do with this, even though Tiger. Look at Tiger. It was taking calls too. Watch the past freaking 20 videos I've done about Tiger taking calls too.